The 102 uses a 6-ball floating system. If no balls are floating, your coolant is not safe and should be replaced. If 1 ball floats, you're safe to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. If 2 balls float, you're safe to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. If 3 balls float, you're safe to negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit. If 4 balls float, you're safe to negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit. If 5 balls float, you're safe to negative 34 degrees Fahrenheit. And if all 6 balls float, your coolant is not safe and should be replaced. Begin by undoing the coolant reservoir cap. Next, insert the probe tube into the tank and squeeze the bulb to draw fluid. Bend the tube up above the fluid line for an accurate reading. Once you've made your reading, empty the fluid back into the tank. Finish by reapplying the cap securely. Thank you very much.